Oh, hello. Good to see you. How's things? How are you doing? We're not too bad. Frida's having a bit of trouble with her knees because of the cold and damp, but that's okay. My back's a lot better from the slippery Sunday last year, I'm happy to say. Torn muscles, they're improving quite a lot. I can sit down for nearly 15 seconds now. That's good. Surprisingly, last week I managed to get a dermatologist's appointment. Took 3 weeks, but I got there in the end. Car park was full. I thought the place was going to be stuffed. There were 3 people in. Anyway, never mind that. I got some cream. I got some special stuff to wash with, some cream to put on my spots, and some moisturiser for all over. And you can't go near any of it with a flame. It's really, really dangerous. On bonfire night to put this stuff on, it's really dangerous. And of course there's no running. You can't run. That'd be like rubbing 2 sticks together. Imagine the headlines the next day. Man spontaneously combusts running for a bus. Yeah, anyway, so other than that, we're okay. Yeah, don't want to be doing a Jerry Lee Lewis. Know what I mean? Right, so that's it. Well, so that's where we are. We're liable to burst into flames at any time, but relatively healthy, and Frida's not so bad. Right, but never mind all that. We're here to change the pin on the door handle of this Disco 2. Put my money where my mouth is. Tasted awful, quite frankly. And I bought one of those pins from eBay. 33 smackaroonies. Okay, so right, it comes in a jiffy bag. Lovely packaging. There's no danger of losing it because it's not very big. Small, but perfectly formed. So, see a bit of unpackaging. I'm sincerely hoping this is the last Disco 2 handle spindle I'll ever handle. Once this is on. Oh, by the way, the central lock in. Oh, we've got a little peep. Right, that's what happened last time. But it's we wouldn't open it from outside. It's all gone. It's got a bit of voltage. I thought this battery that's in is fairly new, but thinking back, I got it for Big Lollopy. So it's going to be going on for 3 to 4 years old. So perhaps it's not as good as I'm thinking. Well, the lights have come on now. Anyway, that's not today's job. This is today's job. That's a little tinker. Okay, so let's whoop it in before it rains. T25 torque screw. I'm hoping I can get to the lever from the outside. Pop that down there for now. It puts up a bit of a tussle. Pull that out, shove that in, and you go like that. Let that go. That round, and now that should pop out, and now the handle will come off. Yeah, there's a spring. Yeah, happy to report. Oh, okay. Spring is here. Now that's the fastening connector. And there is the other end of this. So what we have to do is knock that little pin out, replace the broken bit with a new bit, job's a good one. Might be a little bit too big, that one. How about that one? Bingo. Right. New one. I don't think there's up or down. What goes in there? The other way around. That's in there. That's better. Right. Screwdriver. There we go. Feeds in there. In there. Hopefully it should go straight in. Tell you what, we'll put that in from the other side. Goes in there. Shove the little rubber tab in. Pull it out. Pull it out again. Feed that in, and there we go. That's in. Can't see. No, not quite. Just got to push the little plastic tab down. There we go. You heard it? Right, that's it. That's all connected up. Put the screw back in. Right. Yeah, I didn't do it, love. I didn't do it first time. Right, okay. Right. That's today's fun and games. Okay, new pin installed. Chuffing job's a good one. Right, I'm sure it's going to be okay. So that's the last pin I shall ever fit to this blooming car. Hopefully. I'll let you know. Right, so there you go. I'll put the screen up like I did last time, in case you're interested. Seems okay to me. It's working fine. So when you put the handle in, it just kind of finds its way in. That's why it has to be flexible. You can't just fix a rod on and hope for the best. It's got to be flexible. Right. Okay, so we're good. You know, we're covering flammable material. Back's not hurting much. It's great. Feed is okay. I can now get into my Land Rover legally. It's all good. Yeah. Got some other stuff to do on Monday now. Right, anyway, never mind this. Get yourselves off, get something useful done. It's Saturday afternoon, there's all sorts to do. And that's good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. Very much appreciated. Some of you got some extreme lengths to do some really long comments, and that's great, thank you. Appreciate that. My hat keeps moving. That's because it's on my head. Right, anyway, so yeah, thanks for all that. Yeah, thanks for your good wishes, it's all great. And don't get lost or squashed. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to say before I go. No, I'll just shut up and get on with it. That's the best way, isn't it? Yeah, shut up and get on with it. Right, tell you what, cup of tea, celebratory chocolate biscuit. Gotta be done. Absolutely, I'm going to blow my nose as well. Right, anyway, look, get yourselves off. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.